said intercooler and all that.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah,
Stock intercooler.
the stock. What does these? What do these usually come with? It's 6-cylinder, 8-cylinder, 4-cylinder turbo. So this is similar to like the red line, like kind of like.
It is a red line.
Okay, all right, cool. Yeah, I had a red line. Remember, Saturn View red line. They had a Honda interchange with this 6-cylinder.
Yeah, Honda.
Yeah, it was 6-cylinder Honda engine.
The View they made it. View Saturn. Yeah.
Yeah. But it's just, yeah, this thing's pretty cool. We're gonna run the DA tonight against this nice little setup. Dig run. But you want the light? You guys want to go off the light? All right, no problem. And we're gonna run it. We're gonna actually. What are you doing? Heads up? All right. So we're gonna see what it can do. This is gonna be our first real pass on this car.
Much colder air than that.
Yeah, center feed. That's the next move is to get this. We're gonna change the manifold out.
Okay.
And the manifold has a 90 mil with a 90 bend with 4-inch, and it comes right here.
Yep.
Sits out about 9 inches with a velocity stack.
Yep.
Yeah, I wish they kept these things going, cause okay. Yeah, this is gonna be a fun one right here. What do these things usually make from the factory? I don't know. I'm not too familiar with them. That's the reason why I'm asking.
They make 260.
Okay, all right. It's not bad. Before the tune, right? It's all right. Yeah, I mean, hey, it is what it is. It's nice. It's.
I got new plugs in it.
Yeah.
New wires.
Yeah, new plugs and wires. Yeah. The wire, the data link. Yeah.
Distributor cap.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Distributor cap. Sure. Yeah.
New oil.
Yeah. What's this thing have? A manual fuel pump and 2 4-barrels under there? That's cool, man. This is gonna be a fun one, for sure. Got a nice tire Michelin on it, so.
You're spraying me, right?
That's the only way it's gonna run right. It's all motors.
25. Okay.
Okay, yeah. So you're about dead nuts, yeah. You're about.
At the track, yeah, or no?
Oh, this is.
No.
I'm begging.
We got with a sticker, yo.
Yeah. Came out dope.
Huh?
It came out dope.
It broke loose.
Yeah, you're gonna have to change these tires. You want to fill it up?
What gas? At least $5-10 that shit. Water tank. Huh? Why?
All right, so we got the bottle
They got scared.
nice and hot. We're fucking full on fuel. The nitrous is supposedly working good.
I need somebody to go first, scope out the area, make sure it's clear.
Where's the finish over there? I've never been.
You'll see it. It's black. The prep spot is all black. Like you'll see it.
I don't know where this is at, so I'm gonna have to.
Right? We're gonna go straight. It's right on the right.
So just the dark side of the fucking.
On the pike, right after you go over the water.
But where's the fucking? Where's the finish?
The finish is the bridge.
All right. That's where this dude just raced at.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's where I race Chill. You
Okay.
see where I race Chill at?
Okay.
That's where I race. That's just perfect. Somebody has to go first, make sure there's no fading or nothing, and then stop at the end, and then record it from the end. And I need 2 people behind us to block it and then flag it.
I definitely want to get the. All right, so we're all strapped up, wrapped up. Our opponent just showed up. I think. Yeah.
Where's the air at? Over there?
I think that's probably more than 8 pounds though.
No, I need more than that. Because you gotta remember, I gotta drive like a good 2 more miles on the road. And it'll go flat. I put like 25.
Fucking car right next to it.
Now I gotta take a shit. Here we go with the
There we
nerve
go,
Our driver has bubble guts. All right, I gotta go charge this shit.
First race I've seen here in about 8 years. I've seen all the recordings and shit.
Yeah. It's pretty neat. It's a good spot.
Yeah, it is. It's a really good spot.
It's a good spot when you have it. This car eats, man. This thing. You're gonna see this motherfucking buggy.
You guys on that team bus length or anything like that?
Once in a while. Yeah, we go once in a while.
Yeah. I'm just trying to figure out how I could get this video.
Oh, it'll be on Scrape Gang.
Scrape Gang?
Yeah, Scrape Gang or CT Drag on Facebook.
Or CT Drag, okay.
Yeah, you go on there and I run the page.
One flash. There we go.
Here it comes. Omar with the win.
That thing's fast.
That was pretty nice.
Yep.
Yeah, and the CT drag.
All right, so that was it. That was a nice race. Everything was good. You guys, everything was fair. Everything was straight with us. Yeah, so, you know, upgrades, you already know that. We have other cars too, so I already know we got to come correct though for this guy right here, man, because this is, he did a lot better than I thought I was going to do.